What's up everybody, my name is Phil and welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. We're going to show you a new toy that we just bought, and we got it at Harbor Freight. I've been looking at one of these for a long time, and I didn't think I was going to need it in my garage or even in my trailer for mobile jobs, but now that I have it, I love it. So this is the US General Toolbox. So let's go take a look. So here it is, guys. Here is the US General rolling toolbox. Basically, it's made for mechanics, and there was a couple of different versions, different models. Some had multiple drawers. I didn't really need that. I went with the one that has the top that opens, which is really nice. You can store a lot of stuff in here. So, I have a few items in here. My little rotary polisher, which I may make a little review about this. I'm not a big rotary fan, but this comes in handy because I have all the extension bars with this and little pads that go down to about an inch. So I'll make a video on that very soon. But the beauty of this is because it is metal, you have the option to have magnetic holders on the side. You can put it in the front if you want, which is really nice, or you can put it on the side. You have an option to hang bottles here or towels, which is really nice. And what I'll do is I'll move this magnetic piece over here. And there's a couple of different magnetic options. You can have kind of like a platform, a couple of different ones. And on this side here, you have another little platform that pops up. So you have even more working space over here. So again, the beauty of it being metal is your nice lights can stick right to it. Now that's going to be great because when you're working on vehicles, now you have the option to roll it around, lock it in place if you want, but now you can see what you're working on when you're polishing. And of course, if you want to put it down here, you can, like so. And this has that articulating bottom, so you can do that. Now you can roll this thing around anywhere you need and have light. I know, look at that. This is my own vehicle. That is horrible. I should be ashamed of myself. But that's my own personal vehicle, and I use it as a, as a canvas to test things on. So I'm not going to have it perfect. Anyway, back to the toolbox. So yes, great option for paint correction light. And now I can use this around the vehicle. I can store stuff under here, so you have the option, of different sizes here. So at the highest level, I can fit gallon jugs with about an inch to spare under here. So you can fill that with gallon jugs under there. Other tools can go here, and then you have the top here. So like we talked about, we have options here for tools, brushes, or screwdrivers. You can still use screwdrivers, of course, and other tools that would fit in there. So you can fit whatever you want in this nice large area. And then you have the nice drawer where you can put all your pads or whatever you want. Maybe more product. You can organize it the way that you want. And this all locks. So when this is down, this will not close because it locks in place. Now with it open, you push it in. These will actually lock the cabinet behind it. And now you can lock it. So you can secure everything in here, which is really nice. So say if you're a mobile guy, you can bring this if you have a trailer or a truck or a van, You can bring this along and put important things in here, valuable things in here. Maybe your polisher, whatever you want in here, and now you can lock it down, which is really nice. If you want, you don't even have to install the wheels. If you are going to put it in your trailer and keep it in your trailer, then bolt it to the floor of your trailer, and now you have a nice locking secure toolbox in there. So this was about $100 or so. This was an extra add-on. This was like $22, you know, just bolt onto the side here. But for, I think it was about $90, 95, depending on where you are, and you can probably get discount codes, coupons, or whatever from Harbor Freight. This is one of the cheaper models that they carry, but look at the quality. It's pretty decent. You're not, you know, it's not going to be Snap-on quality, but the drawers and everything are nice. They roll out nicely, good quality. You know, we'll see how long it lasts, but I'm not a mechanic, so I'm not going to beat this thing up with tools in a garage. This is going to be for detailing. So, what do you think, guys? Let me know. Do you use one of these? I even have little magnet hooks up here so you can hang stuff. Do you guys use one of these for detailing? My friend Tony even had a great idea of getting little carpet, self-adhesive carpet sections, and just carpet the top part of this. Maybe even carpet this little area too. So now you have a nice soft area, you know, to put things on top of and clean. Or you can just get a microfiber towel and get little magnets and magnetize each edge, cut the microfiber towel to fit. So that if you want the metal top for whatever reason, you can. And if you want to remove it, then remove the magnets, and now you have your metal top again. So yeah, I'm loving this thing. It's really cool. And I like that I have the large trailer to be able to kind of shove it right in there. So let me show you how well it actually fits in the trailer. All right, so here it is in the trailer. So I still have plenty of room in here. I might reconfigure it where I put the hose and everything else somewhere else in the back, and this can go right up against that wall, or it might actually slide under here, which I could do that also and use the drawers and then just pull it out as I need it. But yeah, it fits in there nice, and I'm not going to load it up too heavy because, you know, you lift it up, I don't know, a little over a foot, almost 16 inches or so, to lift it into the trailer. It's a little bit of a bear to lift it in there, but not too bad. I'm not going to be taking out, you know, the trailer. I'm not going to be taking out the toolbox every single time. It's just going to be for maybe polishing jobs where I want to bring this around, you know. Then I'll put pads in here, put my polisher, lay it down in here. It's a nice, stable work area that I can roll around with me as I am polishing a vehicle. Usually single stage polishes, and then I can put my polishes here if I need to. So that would work great. So here in the garage, guys, I still have room. My garage isn't huge. It's about 20 by 12 feet wide or so. And, you know, the Avalon's a pretty large vehicle. And I still have room in here. So if I'm doing paint corrections and coatings and such, then it still fits in here nicely. I don't have to worry about hitting anything. The wheels are nice and large. They roll on my poor uneven floor here. So that still works great. And with the light, works really well having my magnetic light on here, which I can move around as I need, which is awesome. So I may put some permanent lights on here, maybe some high-powered LEDs at the corners, one up here, maybe one down here, so it'll shine on lower portions like so. And perhaps even wire up a power strip either along here or along here. And that way I can plug right into this thing, and that will be basically like a mobile powered unit that has lights and also have the power strip on there. So you can already see how nice it is to have a nice rolling cart like this. I was going to go with the plastic one, but the metal one is so much more versatile because it's magnetic and you can attach all sorts of stuff to it. So, pretty awesome. I should have enough space. I should have enough space, about the same amount on this side. So, that's usually what I want it for. Up here in the front, I of course have my table. I might even tuck it in that corner there, which is kind of a mess, but that would work as well. So guys, I am loving this thing. Definitely check it out. They have similar ones on Amazon, which if I can find, I'll put a link down below. But you can buy it locally. Go to Harbor Freight. They'll also have these guys that magnetically attach. So definitely go there and check that out. And if you want links to some of the other tools that you've seen here, like my light, I have links down below for that. I have links for all of the different products that we have. So check it out in the card, or over here actually, and go to that online store and you can click on any of those pictures, leads you right to Amazon so you can purchase those products easily. So guys, thank you for joining us today. If you haven't already, consider subscribing, clicking that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. And guys, check out our new apparel. We got some new t-shirts on our online store. So if you click up there on the card, that will go to the online store where you can purchase any of those t-shirts and products that we have. We also have a ton of cord snaps in stock. So check these out, guys. We're going to have a video on these very soon demonstrating them. If we already shot that video, I'll pop it up here in the card. But if not, then look forward to that video very, very soon because I have here in my garage Tony Ralda from Ralda's Details, and he's the developer of these cord snaps. So look forward to that video. And again, if I already made the video, it'll be in that card that just popped up. So thank you guys for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great week.